Hi, welcome back to PyKids. My name is Matthew, and I will be introducing you to the Python standard library, as well as packages in Python. The Python standard library is a set of packages made available to you by the Python programming language. A package is a set of function declarations that one can use in any programming project. The Python standard library is very extensive and it can work with various workload presented by the user. Today, I am just going to give you an example on how to use the Python standard library. So I am going to pick one of the packages available here, which is the random package. So we'll click on the random package. This gives you ability to generate pseudo-random numbers. So these are the functions right here. You can see they are random.seed, random.getState, random.setState, we have rand bytes, we have rand range. And today I will just be using one, but first of all, I'll be introducing how do you import the entire library for your usage. So in that case, let's go to our Visual Studio Code. So here is my Visual Studio Code. To import everything, I am just going to put this down here. I am going to import random. So this gives me access to all of the functions made available by the random package. So the setSeed function, the setState, everything that we saw earlier, I am able to use. But since I am only using one, I do not want to use the entire library, the entire package. So I'm just going to use from random import rand in. So this is the function that I want to use, and this is the package where it comes from. So it's from the random package. I want to import the rand in function. Hope that is easy for you to understand. And since I want to test it out, whether it's working or not, I am going to do, let's see, my car's top speed. Car top speed equals to rand in. So I want my car to be fast. So I'm going to set a number between 200 and maybe 550 because I want my car to go really fast. So I'm going to print the car top speed because we want to see how fast can my car go. And Python's going to decide that for me. So we have the program right here. It's a relatively small program. I'm going to run it. We have 467. So it looks like my car top speed can go up to 467. As you can see here, if I do the one earlier, like import random only, I can still do the same thing. Oh, I guess in that case, we will use random.randin. Right. Since we're importing the entire thing, Python may not know where randin comes from. So we'll say here, we want to run randin from the random package. So I'll try to run that again. See, we still got a number between 200 and 550. So that's how we use packages in Python, and that's a basic example of the Python standard library. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there is any questions, please put it down in the comments below and we will try to answer them all. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.